Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing things a little differently. I'm actually doing this introduction after I finished fishing because I lost my GoPro while fishing. So today is September 2021 and it's probably the last day of warm weather before the really colder fall weather hits. And today I came to a place where I found on Google Maps and where I can launch a kayak because I wanted to target muskie. Muskie was a fish that I've never landed. I've tried at Georgian Bay with no luck this year. I hooked up onto one but couldn't land it. Okay, we got a fish on the troll. Probably a bucktail, right? Yeah. Just make sure you keep the pressure on. Yeah. Very strong. Just keep the line tight. Don't yank on it, just keep it solid after with the reel. Okay. Oh, they got off. Got off. We'll try again.
Right there too.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. And I also lost a couple at Pigeon Lake earlier this year. So it's been frustrating for me trying to catch the muskie. And I set out to do that. I found a spot again on Google Maps. Right off the side of the road. It's one of the Kawartha Lakes and it offers a good place for boat launching, and it's quite a weedy bay, so I knew there would be bass or muskie here, probably muskie. And I came in the morning and punch this into the weeds. Giant worm, Texas rig. So far, having my butt kicked, no bites. Let's see if the luck changes after. Well, it's been ultra quiet so far. This beautiful place so far is yielding no fish, so might as well satisfy the munchies. Get back at it. Hopefully, nice muskie will come along.
Guys, I got muskie on. First ever, guys. Oh boy. Okay, I got a muskie. Let's get this here. caught the muskie on this rapala. I don't even know what you call it. So strong. This is my first ever muskie. I lost my GoPro for this muskie. My first ever muskie, I'm gonna let it go. I took it on the Rapala Otis.
Now I have to go get a new GoPro. Also, the muskie did quite a bit of damage. So this fish of 10,000 casts was more like a fish of I don't know, 1 million casts for me, and a lot of damage. I got blood everywhere. I lost my GoPro, but in the end, I at least finally landed a muskie, which I'm pretty happy about. Anyways, everyone stay safe, and I hope to bring you more content in the not too distant future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.